So for number 1, the radius of a right circular cone is increasing at a rate of 6 centimeters per second. So the radius of a cone is increasing. So dr over dt is equals to 6 cm per second. So while its altitude is decreasing at 3 centimeters per second, so we have dh over dt. So decreasing at 3 centimeters per second, so negative 3 centimeters per second. So find the rate of change of its volume. So we'll find dr over, so dv over dt when radius is equals to 8 cm and the altitude is 20 cm. So for this one, we will, what is the value of, so what is the volume of a right circular cone? So it is 1/3 pi r squared h. So after this one, we'll now differentiate with respect to time. So we have dv over dt is equals to, so 1/3 pi. So we have r squared multiplied by dh over dt plus, so h multiplied by 2r dr over dt. So after this one, we will now further simplify. So 1/3 pi multiplied by, so what is the value of r? So r is equals to 8 cm. So we had 8 squared. So what is the value of dh over dt? So negative 3. So negative 3 plus, so h is equals to 20 centimeters. So 20 multiplied by 2r. So 2r is equals to 8 times 2. So 8 times 2. So dr over dt is just equals to 6. So after this one, we'll now simplify. So dv over dt. So dv over dt is equals to 1/3 pi. So we have 8 squared times 3. So 8 squared times 3. So negative 192. So negative 192 plus. So 20 times 8 times 2 times 6. So 192. 1920. So we have further simplification. We have dv over dt is just equals to 1/3 pi. So 1920 minus 192. So 1920 minus 192. 1728. So 1728 pi over 3. So dv over dt is just equals to, so 576 pi. So what is the units here? So volume. So we have cubic centimeters. So with respect to time, so time is just equals to seconds according to the units to the problem. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 576 pi cubic centimeters per second. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.